Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put our coconut milk. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and put the chili. We're gonna cook this down. And we're gonna go ahead and put the cover. I think cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes until the thickness of the coconut is really nice. Over and we'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, it's on the consistent that we want. See how it's slightly thicken up the coconut milk? So that's what we want. And we already put our chili in there. I'm gonna put my green onion. This one is frozen onion. We harvested from the backyard. If I have kabocha or pumpkin, this would be perfect. It would be perfect with this. So this is Ginataang Baboy. I use ground pork because I don't have the regular pork. So this is it. We have our ground pork, spicy ground pork with coconut milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it, guys. Okay. First bite. Try it. Okay, my turn. Oh, it's so good. This is perfect. We don't need any more salt or pepper. It's just perfect. Enough seasoning, enough spice. This is a chili right here, guys. Right there. I could put more, but not a lot of people like spicy food, so I just put 2 in there and cut it into pieces. Then eventually, after a while, it's gonna get more spicier. Right now, it's mild, but a little later, it's gonna get more spicier. So that's about it, guys. We're done with our cooking. I just made some ground pork with coconut milk, and it's actually, this is called spicy ground pork with the coconut milk. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste this and see how it goes. Okay guys, so it's time to taste our ground pork mixed with alamang, which is the fermented shrimp with coconut milk and some chili. So it's like spicy pork with coconut milk. Okay, so let's first bite. Oh, yummy. Oh, it's super yummy. Actually, I normally cook this with the regular pork, but I don't have the regular pork. I only have the ground pork. So I improvise what I have because I'm craving for something that has coconut milk. It's really yummy, guys. So it's kind of like a Thai food, I guess, but guys, you should try this recipe. It's really easy. Should be done in like 30 minutes. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Much mahalo. Salamat po. Aloha.